If you'd like to see images that have been used in any design, then you can do that by clicking here. Click on Filter and then select Used in Project, and this will show you every image that you have used in the project. If you would like to see images that are just used in the design, then you can do that here. When you select Used in Project, this will show you all the images that have been used in the album, wall art and gallery. Also, when you click here to view the gallery, you can filter exactly the same way. When using the perfectly clear skin softening in Fundy software, the ability to filter your images will show you exactly which images you will need to retouch. Once you have filtered down, you can simply click and retouch all the images that are in the project. Once you've clicked, you'll be able to adjust to suit your brand. When editing in Photoshop or your external editor of choice, you can do this by simply right-clicking on any image and selecting Edit Image, and this will open up your preferred editing option. Once you are in your preferred editor of choice, you can make any changes or retouching and then simply save the image, and then it will auto-populate back into Fundy software as your edited file. Alternatively, if you would like to do a bulk retouch, then you can do this by selecting Images and Export Images for retouching. Fundy software will then export all the images used in album design, wall art and client gallery for retouching. If after a client order or design you would like to go back into Lightroom to re-edit your photos, you can get a quick list of photos to paste into the Lightroom search bar. This is especially handy for photographers that show out of camera JPEGs that need to go back into Lightroom and then edit the raw files. To see this list, simply go to Images and then Copy Retouching List for Lightroom, and this will bring up the list of all the images that are in the album, wall art and client gallery. Be sure to follow the instructions up here, because you will need to change the drop down to Contains and then paste these in. To do that, simply click Copy and then paste these into the Lightroom search bar.